Chapter 4, Third Part. In 19th century, the message of patriotism and nationalism were spread through the literary work and painting. In this part, Anandamath of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Vartaman Bharat of Vivekananda, Gora of Rabindranath Tagore were played a vital role. The Anandamath novel of the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee centered around a mother who is in the chain of the foreigners and her santans or children woe to tears. From Anandamath, people get a famous song Bande Matram. It was a Bible of the secret revolutionaries. The Anandamath played a crucial role in the national awareness. Now the second one is the Vartaman Bharat. Vartaman Bharat is a monography by Swami Vivekananda. It contains deep feeling of nationalism, national culture and political issue. The Vartaman Bharat implies and elaborates the idea on society. It is stated that the human society in turn is governed by the four castes, the priests, soldiers, traders and the laborers. The priests rule in the exclusive on hereditary ground. The military rule tyrannical and cruel. The commercial rule is crushing and the blood-sucking, but the traders go everywhere and they were good demonstrator of idea. The rule of the laborer has the advantage of distributing physical effort, but it has the disadvantage of the lowering culture. Vartaman Bharat ends with the calling for the imitating the Western lifestyle in dressing and manner. There should be a cherished feeling of self-respect and sense of pride in being Indian. The closing paragraph of the Vartaman Bharat is titled by the Vivekananda as Swadeshi Mantra for the homeland. It is addressed to every Indian. It is a call of arise and wake of the national ideas of identity with the Indian heritage. The Indian people, even they are the poorest and the lowest, should take pride in having been born as the Indian. Patriotism and the nationalism for Vivekananda was never a matter of political strategy. Rather, it had to do with spiritual belonging to one's culture and history. Religion and nationalism become the interchangeable for the Vivekananda. Now, third one is the Gora. Gora is the largest and most complex of the 12 novels composed by the Rabindranath Tagore. It is a novel of a young intellectual who is intensely patriotic. He is not Indian born of, but he is not Indian, but born of English parents. When he or Gora comes to know about the fact of his life, he was go in vain. The old fires dies down and the familiar idealism for him become a joke. But suddenly a voice came up and said that he is a Bharati. No caste is above that. So in Gora, the Rabindranath Tagore give us the feeling of a Indian or a patriotism. Now the Bharat Mata. Bharat Mata was a painting of Abindranath Tagore in a Japanese style, and it was greatly appreciated by the sister Nivedita. The Bharat Mata has a four-armed, in the picture we can see the Bharat Mata as a four-armed Hindu goddess is seen holding a manuscript in one hand. In another hand, she is holding a bundle of newly reaped corn that sustain her children. In the third hand, she holds a rosary, symbolic spiritually. In the fourth hand, there is a piece of white clothes. Bharat Mata is the artistic visualization of Swadeshi spirit. The painting evokes the memory of first stanza of the Vande Matram hymns. Since 1806, Abindranath paintings were designed as the organized protest against the foreign influence. The painting also meant passion for the artistic expression through the indigenous form. It may be said that his attitude towards Indian culture was more intensely national than that of any exponent of the national literature. In the earlier Swadeshi days, Abanindranath had been a sincere worker in the cause of under the guidance of Rabindranath Tagore. Never did he forsake the spirit of Swadeshi. Commenting on the achievement of the Abhinandranath in the sphere of the art of Sri Aurobindo Bose has remarked that the Bengal school of painting was antidotes for the bad taste of the generated by the British system of education. Now the Gyanindranath Tagore and his painting. Gyanindranath Tagore was a figure of contemporary Indian painting. His achievement ranked high among the Bengal's many notable contributions to the modern Indian culture. Gyanendranath has been the brother of founder of the Bengal School of Painting. Niraj C. Chaudhary has observed that the Gyanendranath's cartoon plays a marvelous originality as drawing. His famous cartoon, The University Machine, is very famous. In the cartoon, University Machine shows a clock striking at 10:30. The smokes come out from the chimney while the students thrown at the gate. The university building is in the shape of big fat tome pressed between them. After the course are done, the student came out flattened and crippled. One would also notice the two figures silhouettely standing on the two pillars. One of them appeared in the European custom and while other in the Indian turban. They were probably those among the founder of the university. There are no longer moving such force, but now shadows out. The crowd at the gate is in the Bengali dress. The cartoon has a undercutting of the sadness in spite of the satire.